my name is Feliza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be going through with you guys my hair care routine. I did a hair care routine video maybe 3 years ago, and the products that I've used since then have definitely changed. So I can't wait to share with you guys the different hair products that I use. And I also noticed that ever since I colored my hair, the products I've been using on it have changed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're at it and turn on your post notifications. You get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. And make sure you follow me on my Instagram. My username is Feliza. I will have it linked down below so you guys can keep up to date with me when I'm not posting videos on my channel. And without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with shampoo and conditioner. So I have been using some Olaplex products actually. So for shampoo, I use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So this stuff literally smells so good and it leaves your hair feeling so soft. And especially for me, since I have color treated hair, I used to just use like the normal like drugstore shampoo and conditioner, and I noticed that when I would use that, my hair would just get very brassy. Because if you have Asian hair like me, like I'm Filipino, and ever since I got my hair done, I noticed that the color would sometimes get kind of brassy or orangey. But whenever I use this, I don't notice it getting brassy or anything like that, so I swear by these. Now the next product in my hair care routine is the Fanola No Yellow Shampoo. This stuff like makes a huge difference, especially if you have color treated hair. So for me, since I have Asian hair, I'm Filipino, so ever since I got my hair colored, I noticed that my hair definitely gets brassy quickly just because my natural hair is black. But whenever I use this, it definitely tames down like the yellow orangey tones in my hair and brings it back to that nice ashy color. This stuff is very strong though, so I only use this like once a week just because it is pretty intense. And since it is a purple shampoo, you definitely need to wear some gloves with it or else your hands might turn purple. But yes, I use this like once a week just to kind of bring back the ashy blonde tones in my hair. But when you do use this, you definitely need to check up on your hair every minute or so just to make sure that your hair isn't turning purple. And I feel like other purple shampoos that I've tried, like they wouldn't really do anything. I feel like it would just make my hair even more dry. But I feel like with this, you can actually see results. You can actually see the color of your hair changing when you use it. And if you're like me and you're Filipino and you have Asian hair, then this product would be perfect, especially for taming like the brassy tones in your colored hair. So to any of my girls out there who have color treated hair, I would definitely recommend this to maintain the color. So for dry shampoo, I use the Garnier Volume Extend Dry Shampoo. This stuff smells super good and it's also super affordable since it's a drugstore product. It's perfect especially for those days where you're too lazy to wash your hair. Especially during the summertime where it's like super hot outside, I like having some dry shampoo with me just to kind of moisturize and get all of the oiliness out of my hair. Now the next product in my hair care routine is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Strong Root Spray. So this is like a scalp spray kind of, or like I just spray it in like the roots of my head and then just massage it in, and it kind of just brings back the moisture into your scalp. And here it says it's made for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. So sometimes if you feel like your head's kind of just dry and you want to add some moisture back in, this is perfect. And yeah, this has like a coconut scent to it. Everyone kind of has like a love-hate relationship with coconut scents. I personally don't mind the scent. I actually really like the scent of coconut. The next product in my hair care routine is Argan Oil, which is my favorite. So this is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Oil for All Hair Types. And this one is by OGX. Even in my last hair care routine video that I did like 3 years ago, I even talked about this and I still use it to this day. Argan oil is just the best, especially if you have frizzy hair. I usually just put this like on the ends of my hair and it leaves my hair feeling so silky and smooth. And I love using this to tame the obnoxious baby hairs that love to just have a party on top of my head. And it just leaves your hair feeling so like buttery. Actually not buttery, that's not the right word. My hair is not buttery. Okay, never mind. It just leaves your hair feeling super silky is what I'm trying to say. And last but not least is the Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray. Before I used to never use heat protectant spray and I would curl my hair and straighten my hair all the time, and then I would notice that my hair was just getting super dry and everything, And now that I've been using a heat protectant spray, I feel like my hair has been a lot healthier. So I love this spray. I feel like it leaves my hair smelling super good, and it's a drugstore product too, so it's super affordable. And I also read online too, if you have color treated hair, whenever you straighten or curl your hair or put any type of heat to your hair, it almost kind of takes away some of the color. And I actually kind of noticed that, because before, when I didn't use heat protectant and I would straighten my hair, I noticed that the color was kind of getting, or it was like fading a little bit, it was getting darker. But now that I've been using heat protectant spray, I feel like it's protecting my hair more and it's not damaging it as much. So those are all of the products in my hair care routine. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and all of the products that I have mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys. And leave me a comment down below of what some of your favorite hair products are. I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My username is Feliza. I will have it linked down below. I hope that you guys are all staying safe, especially during this time. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you all in my next one. Bye!